Indulge in the allure of 11 lavish master bedroom interior designs, where timeless craftsmanship and intricate artistry take center stage. These designs are a symphony of mocha, linen, and pastel colors, infusing each space with a palette that soothes the senses. Step into an ambience that embodies the sophisticated elegance of an American home, where classic and contemporary elements intertwine to create an environment of refined luxury. The essence of tradition is beautifully woven into every detail, evoking a sense of history and grandeur that resonates throughout. As you explore each lavish detail, we invite you to show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. The hallmark of these designs is the enchanting use of richly textured fabrics, adding depth and character to the space. The interplay of softness and opulence invites you to experience comfort like never before.